Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can edit like this on your video. So for example, I have been added the video and then just going to effect and select this comic effect and just going to select this explosion and make it short like so. And you can adjust the position in the middle or as you like. So, and you can select this main video and then just for the timeline and then just click split, and you can select this second clip, second video, this second one, and it's going to BNW comic effect. Just put here, so you can see the result. So okay, this is a CapCut hack tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below, and you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.